Hello, this is Craig Speck with Speck Transportation, and today I want to present to you my latest blog, 5.5 Types of Coverage to Consider When Renting Vehicles for Trips. Here they are. 1. Personal Liability Insurance. In the state of Texas, the liability portion of your personal auto policy will transfer to cover a rental car in case of an accident. However, it may not cover every vehicle that you would rent for a personal situation. You should be able to clear up this question with one call to your agent. If your agent says you are covered, always go with that advice. You are investing big bucks for that agent to provide you with expert advice. Listen to it and comply. 2. Liability insurance for non-owned and hired vehicles with a clause for physical damage protection. If your organization owns any vehicles, they more than likely have this coverage and can save thousands of dollars per year when renting vehicles for trips. Just call your organizational insurance agent and ask if you have it. If not, you can purchase a 6-month policy at a reasonable investment in most cases. This would be the ideal option to minimize wasted resources and to give your personnel peace of mind when traveling. Never allow anyone to put up their personal insurance card on an organizational rental unless they want the damages filed on their insurance. Their organization may deny any liability and let that person pay for it all. 3. LDW or loss damage waiver. While this is not actually insurance, it represents an additional investment per day that you agree to make, which relieves you of all responsibility for damages to the rental vehicle which you are driving. It does not cover any other vehicles or damaged property. This option should be utilized when you have no insurance or when you do not wish to risk having a claim filed against your own policy. You have peace of mind here because you do not have to worry about your insurance rates increasing or your policy being canceled from a claim. 4. SLP or Supplemental Liability Protection. This option provides you with a third-party $1 million liability insurance policy. When combined with LDW, it is similar to having full coverage insurance. This policy provides protection for other vehicles and other property that may be involved in a potential accident. As opposed to LDW, this is an actual insurance policy. 5. PAC or Personal Accident Protection. This policy provides the renter and passengers with a specified amount for medical injuries sustained in an accident. Most individuals and organizations have medical insurance which covers their family or employees. This coverage has a low acceptance rate and usually ends up as duplicate coverage. Check with your agent here as well. 5.5. Count on your insurance agent as the final expert and authority for whatever option you choose. The employees of the rental firm are trained to aggressively sell you everything in their arsenal and will not hesitate to separate you from your hard-earned money. Do your homework. I'm Craig Speck with Speck Transportation. I can be reached at 817-405-0874, 817-477-3003, or 817-437-8702. Visit me on the web at spectransportation.com or email me at craig@spectransportation.net. Be blessed and have a great week.